to go in a little bit, don't it?
Yeah.
A little more. A little more.
Yeah, there's one right here.
All right, perfect.
Try to make light of it. Well, in Vegas, you know, not Virginia. Brooklyn? Yeah, crazy something.
Of nature. It's like if one piece of straw got on her, she's like, I'm going home. I'm from the city.
Yeah.
Like, you're my friend and you haven't even seen it. Oh, well.
Yeah.
Show her the spider. Bring her
You know,
over.
that's funny. I just thought of my best friend when we walked in. I thought, oh, she would have lost out there, not 5 minutes. With all these different bugs. She just screamed the whole time.
There's a spider. There's a
She did go to a big park or something with me once. And the entire time she's got like in a
braced on another stump or something. Like she did not want to touch the ground.
Well, that's funny. Basically, you need to get like a red carpet to just roll out for her to walk on.
That would be funny.
I was thinking last night about the skirt. Like, it's kind of stupid because like anyone she ever could just like start calling you. Right? I want to feel it.
You're right.
No wonder that's why I kept on getting. I felt like some people were spiting my butt.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you know, I was in my sleeping bag and I got really hot. So
Yeah.
Do you need some help, Alex?
Actually, sure.
Oh, you know what? I want to. What can I do?
We'll put one more in over here.
Okay.
If you can,
Go get it.
please, yeah.
Okay. I will.
I have a dead man.
Wonderful. Okay. If you could.
Not yet. All right. So, should I let this rest?
Basically,
down on here?
if you could just hold it. Actually, we'll
Where?
put this
Show me
one.
where you want to mark it, or.
That's good. Doesn't have to be anywhere exact.
Okay.
This is copper.
Yeah.
That's right. So okay. So as far as getting cob under there, I mean, should we just kind of put a? We don't have any wet cob, do we?
Yeah, we can do that later.
Okay.
Oh, because of the bugs?
Oh, you're only going part way in. I'm like, how come I haven't felt
Yeah.
anything?
Here we go.
Where's this one?
We jumped up. So let's just lift this one up a little.
Well, it should come through. Oh, I
does it
think
not
I
matter?
corrected it back.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. The screw went in
okay.
where it was supposed to. Yeah,
Okay.
I know what you're saying. It kind of slid a minute, but I think I got it back to its original
Actually,
position.
if you look from this side, Alex, it looks like the screw is dangerously low.
The screw's too low.
This one, the one that hasn't gone in yet.
Oh.
You might want to.
Okay.
Or
Yeah,
or angle it up
I'll just
one or the
readjust
other.
that one.
Yeah. Wow, this is staying in pretty good.
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, like, I don't even need to touch this anymore. But, oh.
Okay, yeah, we're on the cart, going around to the.
Yeah.
Alright. Try and get it straighter this time.
Yeah, oh yeah. They party and they drink and they golf. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Lower your
How's that?
It's good enough.
Good.
Ooh, nice.
All right.
Feel that catch. Yes.
See, that is pretty locked in there.
Yeah.
Yes, it really
So
is.
these guys,
So we're
I didn't know
put
about
them down,
those.
right?
Yeah, that's my new design. So we'll put a little more cob underneath there.
Oh,
And
so
just
do the cob
tap 'em
first
in.
and then tap them in?
Yeah.
Oh, and just it's going to make it that much more
Yeah.
Say,
solid.
where's Gustavo? He needs to mix up some cob for us.
Yeah.
Or maybe, yeah. Maybe we need to get Leonard on it.
Oh, we do. We need
Yeah,
to get
that cob was excellent over here.
That's by far the best.